This whole ambitious project faces some very real challenges that can mess everything up, and this last week was a perfect example of that.
A government shutdown led the FAA to issue an emergency order saying you could only launch at night. That created a total logistical nightmare. And then, at the same time, we had a problem from space. A big solar storm kicked up a geomagnetic disturbance that actually forced them to delay the escapade mission.
They're pointing to a bigger, growing kind of risk that has some pretty massive economic consequences, especially as we become more and more dependent on everything we're building in space.
Yeah, that threat from space weather, from the sun basically, is becoming a really big deal for this new economy. You see, the sun has this 11-year cycle, and we are heading straight for what's called its solar maximum in 2025. That's when its activity and the danger it poses is going to be at its absolute peak.
According to that new report from Lloyd's, just one single really bad solar storm could cause a potential global economic loss of $2.4 trillion over 5 years. That means massive disruptions to the things we use every single day, everything from GPS and global communications to the actual power grids right here on the ground.
So what does this all boil down to? It's this: humanity is building a whole new economic frontier in space right now. But it's also a frontier that's full of new, complex challenges, from political jams on Earth to the raw, untamed power of our own star.
As we build this future, who's actually in charge of writing the rules?